it's important for me to, let you know that the CityAdapt project is why we are all here.
This is a United Nations Environment Program initiative being implemented by the regional office in Panama City and is funded by the Special Climate Change Fund of the Global Environment Facility, which has allocated over $1.5 million to Jamaica.
It's a partnership that has brought us here in terms of looking at nature-based solutions for urban schools.
We're so much affected negatively by climate change. We encourage young farmers to put in mitigative strategies to see how best we can combat climate change.
The CityAdapt project started in 2017 as part of a regional initiative to integrate nature-based solutions within our urban or town spaces. In Kingston, Jamaica, the project's success was carefully weaved through the support of our local partners, whom has certainly assisted with the project activities in community spaces and within your schools.
We are in the container garden of Kingston Technical High School. We water twice a day, and the produce that we make, it either go to the students, we donate, or we give it to the parents.
The Jamaica Forage Clubs is grateful to the CityAdapt project for all the initiatives that we've done in the schools together. We're looking forward to the sustainability and the collaboration, and we're hoping that we can partner in the future to implement more of these projects in the city schools.
The most interesting thing that you learned today? I know you've learned a lot, but the one that stands out for you.
So the most interesting thing that I learned today is that hydroponics is the technique of growing plants using a water-based solution rather than using soil. And what I can implement in life is that when growing plants, I'll ensure that the plants have the correct nutrients.
The most important thing that I learned today is that over in the bee section, when there is no queen bee, the worker bees create a cell called queen cell, and a drone bee has to be able to go in there and create a new queen bee.
So on behalf of the Jamaica Forage Clubs, the Forestry Department, and of course the CityAdapt project, we are truly appreciative that you have joined us today. I'm sure you have learned a lot that is quite obvious based on the responses and the engagement.